If you're looking to find out your competitors' Google Ads keywords in 2025, then this video is for you because I'm going to tell you the right method to find out competitors' Google Ad keywords for free. So as you can see that I have been running ads for my campaign, but I wanted to see whether the keywords that I'm targeting is matching my competitors keywords or not. So for that, what I need to do is like, I will quickly gonna go to incognito mode and then I'm quickly gonna search best dental clinic near me. After that, I will find it out some ads that have been running for this keyword. So now I can see some of my competitors. Now what I need to do is like I need to copy down this URL stunningdentistry.com, and then you need to use this tool called similar web. This tool is free for 7 days, guys. If you have just signed it up, then you can use its premium features up to 7 days for free. So once you have signed up, after that, what you need to do is like you need to go into this section called keyword research, and then you need to go into this section called website explorer, because I want to find it out all the keywords of my competitors that they are using inside their Google Ads copy. And then you copy down the website that you just copied, and then you will be able to see the total traffic, and you can also segment down on the basis of organic traffic and paid traffic. So I wanted to find out like how many keywords they are running ads on. So you go into this section called paid traffic. So when I go into the paid traffic, now I can see that they have been running ads on 67 keywords, out of which 18 keywords are long tail keywords. And what I can see is like they're running ads on the keywords like dentist near me, stunning dentistry, which is I believe their brand keyword is tooth cleaning, dentist in Gurgaon. So now I get to know that like they are targeting this location called Gurgaon and they have a separate page, so I can view for which page they have been running this ad. So I can see the page that they have been running. So the keyword is dentist in Gurgaon, and this is the landing page that they have been using. So now we can see their ad copy, we can see what type of landing page they have created, we can see that they have used call extension button, the WhatsApp button as well, and that is how they are driving traffic to their landing page. Then they're also running ads on teeth whitening, Delhi, ortho dentist near me, best dentist in Noida, dentist in Delhi, Bangkok dentist, affordable dentures, best doctors in Delhi. They're also running ads on this. Best fake teeth for smile, tooth pain medicine. Now, the interesting part over here is that you can see how many clicks they have got for which keyword. So this stunning dentistry, they have got 600 clicks at an average CPC of $0.68. Guys, this is just an average CPC. This is not the fixed CPC because this is a third party tool and Google has its own ecosystem. So this is just to give you an idea, just to give you a hint, right? And you can also see what is the volume of those keywords are. So it has a volume of 1.3k. Now tooth cleaning has a volume of 2.6k. Now tooth cleaning is neither a transactional keyword nor a informational keyword. It is basically a mix of both of the intent. So you have to identify like you should not copy all the keywords of your competitors, otherwise like you won't be able to identify from which strategy they have been running the ads, right? So what you need to identify is that like how many transactional keywords they are using, how many informational keywords they are targeting. So now if I just open this landing page, so now I can see stunning industry Australia. So now I wanted to find it out why they are running this ad in Australia. So all on for dental implant. Let me just copy this keyword, and now let me just see what is the thing that they are getting for this keyword. Website type, paid traffic, stunning dentistry. No, they don't show the traffic worldwide, guys. They are just showing the traffic, all traffic with the worldwide section, but they are not telling me the basic traffic that they are getting. But since this is the keyword that they are targeting for the Australia landing page, that means that like it has a connection with the Australia, not with the Delhi. So that is how it helps you in identifying the pages also, guys. So you can identify the pages for which they are running ads, and on the basis of that you can identify the keywords as well, and that helps you in finding the right keywords for yourself. So we can see they are running the ads for informational. Now you can view the data according to the desktop version, mobile version. So you have to make sure that like the your website is mobile friendly, because 75% traffic of your competitors are coming through mobile and not through desktop. And then you can see related keywords, trending keywords, question queries. We can also find it out. For that, I have exceeded my daily limit. That's fine. Now if I wanted to find it out, oops, I've exceeded my daily limit. But if you go into the this search ads column, then you can also see their ad copy, their headlines, their description. So whatever feature they have been using, you can see it inside the search ad. Since I'm on the free version, that is why I'm not able to find it. But all you have to do is you just have to click on search ads, and then you will be able to see all the ad copies of your competitors. So I hope you like the video. If you have liked it, give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel.